Hey everyone, welcome back. In the celebration of World Emoji Day, the Unicode Consortium has officially confirmed the list of new emoji characters coming with Unicode 17 set to launch this fall. And among the upcoming emojis are several fun and creative additions, including a trombone, treasure chest, distorted face, hairy creature, widely interpreted as Bigfoot or Sasquatch, fight cloud, apple core, orca, and ballet dancers. Once Unicode 17 is finalized later this year, Apple's design team will begin crafting their version of these new characters in the signature Apple emoji style. As usual, there will be a delay of several months before they appear in iOS. Apple is expected to include them in a future iOS 26 update and most likely iOS 26.4, arriving sometime in spring 2026. For comparison, Apple's most recent emoji update came with iOS 18.4 in March, which introduced the Unicode 16 emoji set featuring icons like bags under eyes, fingerprint, leafless tree, root vegetable, harp, shovel, and splatter. The Unicode Consortium releases a new batch of emoji annually, and anyone can submit proposals for new emoji ideas, which are reviewed and approved through a standard evaluation process.